The question says which has maximum dipole moments. You can see different angles are given there, different angles. Let's say if you talk about this angle, this is your 90 degree. Okay, obviously this is going to be 180 degree bond angle, and it is less than 90 degree. I assume, let's say it is 60 degree. Okay, and it is going to be more than 90 degree. That's, I assume it is 120 degree is there, 120 degree. Okay, rough idea we got about the bond angle. And if we talk about the factors affecting dipole moment, so one of the factor we have bond angle also. And always keep in mind, dipole moment is inversely proportional to bond angle. Bond angle increases, dipole moment decreases. If bond angle decreases, dipole moment increases. We need maximum dipole moment, means we should have minimum bond angle. In which case we are getting minimum bond angle 60 degrees there. 90, 180 and it is 120 minimum bond angle. So dipole moment will be very high. Option A is correct. Minimum bond angle, maximum dipole moment. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.